everyone. Today's topic is Geography of Daman and Diu. India is a land of diversities on planet Earth. The geography of India is an essential subject to be studied by every citizen of the country. As a nation, India occupies a significant position in the world. It is a country known for its unique culture, history, heritage, natural resources, and human capital. India is a union of states. Each part of India is unique in its geography, culture, language, and socio-economic conditions. Daman and Diu is one of the prominent union territories in India. The main objective of learning this lesson is to know about its geographic setting, people, governance, and its contribution for the country. Thus, in this lesson, the following aspects briefing the Indian Union Territory, Daman and Diu are discussed in detail. A. The physiographic setting. B. The climate, rainfall, land cover, and religions. C. The administrative divisions, population, and education. D. Economic resources and contributors. E. Culture, history, literature, tourism, and unique features of the state as a whole. Daman is the Union Territory's capital. The physiographic setting. Daman and Diu is situated mostly in the coastal area of the Arabian Sea and is in the westernmost part of India, located on the southern tip of Gujarat. Geographically, Daman and Diu lies at the latitude of 20 degrees 25 minutes north and the longitude of 72 degrees 50 minutes east. This Indian Union Territory accounts for approximately 112 square kilometers of the total land surface of the country as well as the earth. The northern side of the isolated island, Diu, facing Gujarat, is a tidal marsh and salt pans, while the southern coast alternates between limestone cliffs, rocky coves, and sandy beaches. Daman and Diu comprises of two districts. Daman district. This district of the territory of Daman and Diu covers a land area of around 40 square kilometers. The major settlement of this district is based in the town. Diu district is spread over an area of about 72 square kilometers, and the main dwellings of this district are based in the Daman city. Daman and Diu is the second smallest union territory of India and is the fifth in size of land area. During the early period, Daman and Diu were part of Goa. It was only in 1987, when Goa became a full-fledged state, Daman and Diu was separated from Goa. The total land area is surrounded by the Chasi River in the north and the Arabian Sea on the three sides. Languages. English, Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi are the official languages of the Union Territory. Among these, English is used as the primary official language. Portuguese is also in use, though not widely. Only elderly people can understand, and it is not taught in schools. The climate, rainfall, land cover, and religions. First, climate. Daman and Diu climate is usually dry and sunny all round the year. The weather of Daman and Diu is marked with low moisture levels. The maximum temperature recorded during the summer seasons is 39 degrees centigrade. The minimum temperature that has been recorded is almost 11 degrees centigrade. The summers are hotter in Diu in comparison to that of the island of Daman. Daman and Diu lies at a high altitude of 6 meters to 29 meters above the sea level. Climate in Diu district. The annual average temperature of this region is 28 degrees centigrade, and the winter season lasts for a few days. The maximum temperature in summer is 38 degrees centigrade, and the minimum temperature is 15 degrees centigrade in winter. Diu receives some rainfalls during the month from June to September. Climate in Daman district. The climate of Daman district is moderate throughout the year due to its proximity to the Arabian Sea. The maximum temperature in summer is about 42 degrees centigrade and the minimum temperature is 10 degrees centigrade in winter. Daman receives heavy rainfall during the months from June to September. Climate of Daman and Diu can be roughly divided into 3 seasons. Summers from the March to the end of May, monsoon from the month of June till the end of September, and winter from November to January. Rainfall. Since these 2 islands are strategically located near the sea, the weather is usually calm, cool, and breezy. The average rainfall recorded in Daman and Diu is 1,687 millimeters. In Diu, the climate is extremely warm and humid with an average annual rainfall of 1,500 millimeters. Land area. The total area of Daman and Diu is 112 square kilometers in 2011. 7.81% of it is forest area, comprised with 2.77% of scrub, 4.49% of open forest, and 0.55% of moderately dense forest. The Damanganga river divides the Daman district into 2 parts. 3 rivers, namely Bhagwan River, Damanganga River, and Kalem River, which passes through this district. Religions. The people of this territory mainly follow Hinduism. Some other important religions are Muslims and Christians. The tribal communities of the territory make a percentage of about 12 of the total population. According to census report, Daman and Diu has Hinduism as its major religion, 93.26% of population following it. Islam and Christianity are respectively 6.15% and 0.46%. Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists also present in smaller share in the Union Territory. The administrative divisions, population, and education. Diu district occupies an area of 40 square kilometers. It consists of Diu Island and a part on the mainland. The island is connected to the mainland by a narrow channel on the north. Daman district has only 1 taluk. The territory of the whole district is part of Daman and Diu Lok Sabha constituency. Daman and Diu has no subdivisions. The Daman region is under the charge of a collector, while Diu is under the charge of a civil administrator. Population. According to census conducted in 2001, the total population of the Union Territory is estimated to be 1,58,204. The population has witnessed considerable growth from 2001 to 2011, and according to census 2011, the Union Territory's population is 2,43,247, of which 1,50,301 are male and 92,946 are female. Literacy rate is approximated to be 68.74%. Male literacy rate is 91.54% and female literacy rate is 46.37%. The average number of literate people in the Union Territory is 1,88,406 people. Number of literate males are 43,70,604 and female are 28,74,449. The Union Territory's population accounts to 0.02% of the total population of India. The sex ratio of Daman and Diu is 618 females per 1,000 males. Education. The Government of India is taking utmost interest in developing the Union Territory in terms of education. There are a number of schools in Daman and Diu. These schools provide the basic education to the children who live in the territory. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is one of the most prominent schools of this region. It is located at Duneta in the district of Daman. The Nirmala Mata Secondary School, Home School and Institute of Our Lady of Fatima Convent High School of Diu, the Coast Guard Public School and the Government Secondary School of Vanakbara in Diu are some of the reputed schools of the region. The colleges in Daman and Diu are well equipped with advanced laboratory facilities, proficient teachers and serene atmosphere with excellent hostel facilities for research scholars. The Government Polytechnic imparts quality education in the field of polytechnic studies, and the major diplomas offered are Diploma in Mechanical Engineering and Diploma in Civil Engineering. The total number of seats that are allotted for each of the above courses is 30, while the Daman Government Arts College, established in 1972, imparts education in various arts departments. Painting and applied arts are the prominent subjects offered, which aim at the growing needs of industrial sectors. The college is affiliated to the University of Goa. The college is controlled by an advisory committee appointed by the Director of Technical Education. Economic resources and contributors. The economy comprises of agriculture and industry. Let's take up agriculture. Agriculture is the chief economic contributor. Major crops of these regions include paddy, jawar, bajra, ragi, pulses, beans, groundnut, wheat, etc. Cash crops are sugarcane and coconut. Various fruits are available here like mango, sapota, and banana, etc. Industries. Small-scale industry is the main industrial base of the territory. Omnibus Industrial Development Corporation developed 2 industrial areas in Daman. Other industrial areas are at Dabel, Bhimpore, and Kadaya. Infrastructure. Power, transport, health, and education. Let's take up power. This territory is fully electrified. This territory receives power from the central sector power stations in western region. Daman has 3 power substations, whereas Diu has only 1. Transport. Railways. There is no direct railway link with Daman and Diu. The nearest railway station from Daman is Vapi on Western Railway on Mumbai-Delhi route. The nearest railway station from Diu is Delwada on meter gauge. Aviation. There are airports both in Daman and Diu. Diu has been connected by air and there is regular air service from Mumbai to Diu. Culture, history, literature, tourism and unique features of the state. Culture. The cultural life of Daman and Diu represents a blend of European, tribal and Indian elements. The festivals and fairs of the region are celebrated with pomp and grandeur. Music and dance are integral parts of the socio-cultural life of Daman and Diu. The people of Daman and Diu are mostly Hindu by religion, although there are also some Christians and Muslims in this region. The prominent language that is in use in the territory is Gujarati. The rate of urbanization is quite high in this part of India in comparison to the entire country. The majority of the social customs and rituals are related to the Hindu religion. The people belonging to Daman and Diu take part in a number of well-known festivals. 2 major festivals of the place celebrated with pomp are Garba festival and folk dance festival. The young generation of the region participate in the Garba festival. They dance wearing gorgeous dresses during the festival celebrations. The folk dance festival is a very significant part of the cultural life of Daman and Diu. The dance forms associated with the folk dance festival in Daman and Diu are the Mando dance, Verdigao dance, and Vira dance. People of all age groups take part in the folk dance festival. History. The name Daman is probably derived from the Damanganga river, while Diu is from the Sanskrit word Dvipa, meaning island. The island was under the control of the Mauryans from the 4th to the 2nd century BC. In the 13th century, Daman formed part of the Ramnagar state, which then became a tributary of the Gujarat Sultans. Various dynasties of Kathiawar ruled Diu until the Sultan of Gujarat conquered it in the early 15th century. Soon after, the islands were conquered by the Portuguese, who largely used these islands for trade in the Indian Ocean. According to the 1535 treaty between the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat and the Portuguese rulers, Daman and Diu served as the important port of pilgrimage between India and the Middle East. In mid-1550s, ships moving to and fro from Gujarat stopped at Diu to pay Portuguese duties. Daman and Diu survived as major outposts of Portuguese overseas territory until 1961, when they became part of India. Literature. Gujarati is the main language of the Union Territory as a result of strong Gujarati influence pre-independence. Gujarati language is strongly Indo-European. Gujarati is declared as the official provincial language of India. The script of this language of Daman and Diu has been derived from the Devanagari script. The oldest document in the Gujarati script belongs to the year 1592. This script was first printed in the year 1797. Till the 19th century, the Devanagari script was used for educational and literary writings, while the Gujarati script was used only for letter writing and maintaining accounts. Sarafi and Mahajani are the different types of Gujarati scripts. The Gujarati alphabet is a syllabic alphabet in which all the consonants have inherent vowels. The vowels can be expressed as independent letters or different types of diacritical marks. Tourism. The Union Territory is made up of Daman district and Diu district. Each of these regions are characterized by its own culture and topography. The tourist places in Daman and Diu are the College of Jesuits, Fortress of Diu, Bom Jesus Church, and Somnath Mahadev Temple. College of Jesuits. This is located in Diu. This college was constructed in 1601 and later converted into a cathedral and named Saint Matris. Fortress of Diu. Located on the extreme tip of the island, the fortress was reconstructed by Don Joao de Castro in 1545. It initially comprised of 2 forts at Golgola that was destroyed in 1896 and Paso Seco Fort located 8 kilometers away from the main city. Bom Jesus Church. Built in 1606 in Daman, the church contains 6 statues. Jesus' statue is given the central position and numerous wooden carvings painted in different colors are available in this church. Somnath Mahadev Temple. Situated in the village of Dabhel in Daman, Lord Shiva is the main god. Lord Shiva is regarded as the creator of the universe. It is traditionally believed that this Shivalinga miraculously originated at its present place on the request of a monk who was a true devotee of Shiva. It was rebuilt in 1972-73. Gangaji Fair is the chief festival celebrated here. Other tourist places are Devka Beach in Daman and Nagaon Beach in Diu. Unique features. Some of the beauties of Daman and Diu are Devka Beach, Jampur Beach, Kachigam Tank, Satyasagar Udyan, Dalwada, Kadaiya Pond, and Nani Daman Jetty Garden. Some old churches, forts, lighthouse, and summer house in Daman and Jalandhar Beach. Nagawa Beach and Children's Park at Gogala in Diu. So far, we have seen some salient features of geography. There are a lot more things to be studied about this. We will see them in the future modules. Thank you.